Hello, my name is Professor Skip Laratonda, and I've been teaching circuit analysis and logic systems at Penn State for over 40 years. I have a number of video lectures that I think would be very beneficial to a number of people, and I'd like to talk about that briefly. My electrical engineering YouTube video lecture channel can help students studying electrical engineering, engineers preparing for the FE examination, adults interested in continuing education, and the hobbyist. For help in electrical engineering circuit analysis, in YouTube you can search for over 60 topics. And here is an example of the video lectures that I put together, just a sampling of what you could search for to help build your understanding of circuit analysis. And there's many more topics that I've prepared lectures on. For help in electrical/computer engineering in digital logic systems, you could search for any of these topics. And this is just a sampling of the 60 plus videos I have out in digital systems. Like I said, I've been teaching circuit analysis and logic systems for over 40 years at Penn State. So if my video lectures help you in any way, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Best to you.